Oh God, outside again. Got this beanie on because I just took a shower and it's raining. It's been raining all day. It's been raining for like a night and a day. The goddamn sun is clouded, as you can tell. But, and I'm sick. I'm sick. Ugh, I hate being sick. It's garbage. You been sick? I know you've been sick. Why don't you tell me how you're sick? I feel like every time I get sick, it's a more progressive, worse illness. I don't know if that's my body telling me I have like some kind of thyroid cancer or something. I don't know. Or that my body's taking longer to heal. I don't know. Every fucking illness feels more severe than the last one. I can speak normally now and not have to cough up a bunch of snot when I talk. But I wanted to do another outside one, and I wanted another chance to talk to you guys outside and say, yeah, the days off and being sick are probably the shittiest times. Cause why get sick on your days off? Why have that going against the only good time that you have is the time away from work? Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of that because my work is in my house and it makes me just hate my house. But it's interesting because I want to know how much I'm going to put up with as far as like being sick and versus going to a job because that's been a lot of the ways that I've lost jobs before instead of just gotten sick and been like, well, I guess I didn't need hundreds of dollars a week, and that so I just said fuck it. That was a younger time, a stupider time, and probably the same time that exists right now. I'm just not sure. We'll find out in a couple of weeks if I still have my goddamn job. But anyway, just sick and frail. Fuck you, body. Well, fuck you, Eric, for not taking care of your body. But you know, come on, body. I'm doing the mind thing. You got to help out somewhere. I got to buy insurance soon. I actually have to do that. I don't have any. That's why I'm lamenting being sick and working. Normally, you could just be like, "Well, fuck it. I'll go to the doctor and have them check me out." This isn't the case now. Now I just kind of have to shove a bunch of over-the-counter meds to my throat and hope to God that I'll be coherent enough to fix people's goddamn phones for them. We'll find out. But until then, I included some nice shots of nature that I took, so you'll see those as well, and it'll be a fun time. You get to see the nice, interesting things I get to see from my front and back porch. So, if that's interesting to you at all, Southern poverty, as it affects person who works from home. That's the new piece I'm calling it. Enjoy this nice shot of squirrels and birds through Palsy Cam. That'll be fun for you. tell me about your sickness, about your illness. That's a little personal. Do it on Facebook. It's my actual Facebook. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that crap. Uh, yeah. Thanks for stopping by again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Well, thanks for coming. The electric guy. I thought he was coming to shut off. That's happened before, several times.